Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to set your Gmail starred label sync to the last 30 days on your Android device. This is a handy way to keep your starred emails accessible without syncing your entire inbox, saving storage and data. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once you're in, tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, located at the top left corner of the screen. Next, scroll down through the menu and tap on Settings. This will open up your Gmail settings, where you can customize your account preferences. Now, tap on the email account you want to adjust. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the correct one where you want to sync starred emails. After that, look for and tap on Manage Labels. This section controls how Gmail syncs different labels or categories of your emails. Find and tap on the starred label. This is the label Gmail uses for emails you've marked with a star. Here comes the important part. Tap on Sync Messages. You will see several options for how many days of emails you want to sync for this label. Choose Last 30 Days. This setting ensures that only starred emails from the past month will be synced to your device, helping you stay organized and efficient. Once selected, you can exit the settings. Your Gmail app will now sync starred emails from the last 30 days only, making it easier to access your important messages without overloading your device. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can customize your Gmail syncing preferences to fit your needs better. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more useful tips and tricks.